Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally there's a new update now available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today in this video we'll check out that update. So as we know that the last update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was the security patch of October 1st, 2024. But now there's another update also available that you can check out by simply going into your settings. Then you have to select about phone, and after selecting about phone you have to select software information and then Google Play system update. So previously this update was on the 1st September 2024, but now there is a new update available with the update size of 78 MBs with the latest security update from the Google, which will keep your device safe and improve device stability. You just have to simply download it and then you have to install it. This download process will depend on the internet speed, and once downloaded you will get to see this option of restart to update. So make sure to restart your device when your device is completely free, as it will optimize the apps and that might take a while. This optimization of the apps process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And as you can see, the update is finally installed and the phone is now starting. The phone is finally on the latest Google Play system update of the 1st October 2024, as you can see. I can also check for update for you, and as you can see it is on the latest version of 1st October 2024. By the way, if you want to get to see an early access on the One UI 7 clock widgets, so do check out the video mentioned in the description to learn how you can update your clock application to the latest version. Or do let me know in the comment section that if you want to a separate video for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, that how to update this, as the official release of the One UI 7 update is by the end of this year or most probably by the next year. But if you want to see an early access, you can check that video out to get these new widgets. And do not forget to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates that are available. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and do not forget to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.